Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of zero views on TikTok videos. So first of all, make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store and search TikTok and see if it's updated to the latest version. Mine's updated to the latest version. Now go to the TikTok app. You can do three things to get views on your videos. So first of all, just go to the add button and let me record a video of few seconds like this, and now I'm going to post it. Who can watch this video? First option, make sure that it's the option is on everyone, and this is how everyone can see your video. And the next thing you need to do is go to your profile, go to your settings, go to your privacy, and make sure that your account is not private and it is public, so everyone can watch your video, so it can get more views. And the last thing you need to do is go to your videos and share them to the people you to your friends, to your relatives, so that they can watch your videos. In this way they will give you views. And these are the basic three steps. I hope you have liked the video. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.